We are here in Goshen. We just completed a wallpaper removal here in this room. Just have a few questions for you.
Absolutely.
How was your experience with Matthews Painting Company and the painters who did your work?
Excellent. Very knowledgeable, very thoughtful of the work they were doing here, respected our home, and did a great job.
Thank you very much. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate us?
A 9. I would say a 10, but nothing's perfect, so I will give a 9.
Thank you, thank you. Would you recommend us to friends and family?
Absolutely. Yes, I would.
Thank you, thank you. And then did we do everything that we said we would do?
Yes, and I believe a little bit beyond that too. And I thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Thanks.